Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the interpreter and opening or creating Vscode/launch. JSON. Once done, choose the Python launch template so Vscode scaffolds the basic fields. Next, set the program to your entry file and pick the working directory. Also include console, integrated terminal to see input prompts. This prevents silent failures. Make sure the path uses forward slashes or escaped backslashes on Windows, and that the interpreter path matches your selected environment. Now refine the arguments, environment, and debug scope. Add an args array to pass CLI parameters so your program runs the same as from terminal. Then set CWD to the project root to resolve relative imports and file access. Include an env object for API keys or debug flags, but avoid secrets in repo. If you need third-party breakpoints, toggle just my code to false. Otherwise, keep it true to skip library internals and speed stepping. Finish by saving and running the profile from the Run panel. If debugging doesn't start, read the debug console for errors and confirm the interpreter path at the bottom left matches launch. JSON. Make sure file paths are correct and that no other extension overrides the debugger. If breakpoints aren't hit, rebuild caches or disable extensions temporarily. As a final tip, revert to a minimal launch JSON and add options incrementally until you reproduce the issue, which isolates the bad setting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.